Hi guys, my name is Anna. I'm pretty sure you have seen me several times at British Council, and welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate mug cake. Now, you are probably wondering what mug cakes are, and well, as the name says, these are cakes in mugs. But well, these are brownie-like desserts, and I love making mug cakes because you don't need the oven. You just need a microwave, 5 minutes of your time, and following 3 simple steps. So let's do it together. So, step number 1. We are going to mix flour, sugar, chocolate, and salt in our favorite mug. Once you have mixed everything, we are going to the step number 2. In this step, we are going to add the egg, milk, vanilla, oil, and chocolate chips. Great! So after you have mixed everything, you will have something like this. And now it is time for our step number 3. You will put your mug on the microwave for 3 minutes. Oh, the light. For 3 minutes. And let's see how magic happens. Perfect. So now it is ready. Be careful because it is hot. So I'm using this to grab it. There you go. Look at that. Isn't it delicious? I mean, the smell is really good. And let's put it here. Let's close the microwave. And that's it. So you can add more chocolate if you want, maybe some fruit on top like strawberries. I mean, imagination is going to be your best friend for this. I hope you like it, and see you in... The light here is very weird. So I was saying, I hope you like this video, and see you on the next video for this Quarantalent. We are all together in this. Bye!